Here is how to share Canva designs with others so that they can edit it. So let's get started. First open Canva, and once you're here, come to the design which you'd want to share with others. So let's say I want to share this one. Once you've reached the design, click on share. That's written on the top right. And over here, we have different ways to share the design. The first option is by sharing it to an email ID. So if you click on add people, then over here, you just have to add the email IDs that you'd want to share this with. After that, we can give a role. So currently it's on edit, but if you want to change this, just click on this and now you can change it to can comment or can view. Then you can decide if you want to send a notification and you can add an optional message over here if you want to. So now just click on share, and as you can see, we've shared this design with this email ID, and once they accept it, they can edit it. So the same way, you can keep adding more and more email IDs. So this is the first method, and if I go back, now I'll show you the second method. Now over here under access level, if you select this, then over here we can decide who all can access this design. So currently it's on only people added can access. So this means all the email IDs you've added, but there's another option, anyone with the link. So if you select this, then on the right, we have more options. So currently it's can edit, but if you click on this, then the same way as earlier, we can change it to can comment or can view. So I leave it as can edit. And now all you have to do is click on copy link and it's done. But there's one thing you have to keep in mind, that now anyone with the link can edit. So this means that the people you share it with can share it with even more people, and they can also access as well as edit this. But if you're fine, you want to do this, just select copy link and then you can share it with anyone. And if you ever want to take back access, you can either make them only viewers. So you can change this from can edit to can view, or over here, you can click on this and change it back to only people added can access. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.